welcome back to my channel. I am Megha and you're watching The Divine Style. Today I'll be creating a very glam look for you all. So yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching. Since I've already prepped my skin properly, I've moisturized it very properly, I would directly move on to my eye makeup, and for that first I'll be doing my brows and I'll be using this brow powder from Mars. It has 4 colors and I'll be using the grey shade. First I'll be drawing a line using this brow pencil and then I'll fill up using the brow powder. I'll be taking an angled brush and take the product in it, tap off the excess and then fill up the gaps. Now the next step would be applying a concealer or a primer on our eyes so that we have a very smooth canvas to work on. So for today's concealer, I'll be using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 04. Now after we're done with concealer, I'll set it using a compact powder. Now after we're done with all those things, now the next step is applying our eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using this palette from Cuffs and Lashes. This is the changeable fantasy palette. This has such beautiful shades. I really like it. It has so many colors. I can create so many looks with using just one palette. I totally love this palette and the pigmentation is super good. So first I'll be using this light shade, which is a transition shade, and apply it on my crease. The higher you hold your brush, the more difficult it is to blend, so make sure you hold it in the end so that the blending is really very easy. After you apply your first color, you should end up with something like this. After that, using the same brush, I'll be moving on to this shade, which is a bit towards rusty side. So yeah, I'll be taking this and dusting off the excess, obviously. Now after you're done with applying your second shade, your eyes should look something like this. And now moving on to the third shade, I'll be using this brownie kind of shade and I'll apply it above this shade only. Now after you're done with your third shade, the last matte shade which we'll be using will be this black shade. I'll take it again in the same brush. For that, I'll be using this shade right here. I'll just take some. I don't want a huge pigment. I just want our eyes to look more festive kinda. Now after we're done with our eyeshadow, the next step is to apply eyeliner, and I'll be using this eyeliner from Maybelline New York. I'll draw a very thin line and make it a wing. So the next step would be applying a gold eyeliner, and I'll apply it just above this black eyeliner, and just ignore the mess I made here because I am not a wing person. I am not a wing liner person. Guys, this eye looks so very pretty. Till the eyeliner was drying, I quickly went and I did my concealer thing, my primer thing, and yeah, I'll quickly do my other eye and be back. Now I'm done with both of my eyes, and since the video was getting very long, I thought of doing my base makeup. I've just applied concealer. I won't be applying foundation because I can see that there is a full coverage and I don't need a foundation. Now the final step for our eye makeup is to apply a kajal, and here I'll be using this My Glam Jet Set Kajal in the shade Noir. Now the next step is to apply a blush, and I'll be using this blush from K Play, and this is a My Glam blush in the shade 02 Strawberry, Juicy Strawberry. Now the next step is to apply a highlighter, and for today's highlighter I'll again be using the K Play highlighter, and this is how the highlighter looks. This is again a beautiful highlighter from My Glam. So I'll take the same big brush and apply the highlighter. Now the last step is to apply a lip color, and for that I'll be using this lip color from K Play, and this is again a beautiful shade, you guys. I really like it. This is how the shade looks like. It's a pretty shade. I was just experimenting and just love this lip color. What I did was I just applied the lipstick and used this shade right here and tapped to give a very nice and indigo type of color. So this is the final look, you guys. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Please help me hit 1K because I really want to. And if you like this video, obviously please like it, and yeah, we will meet in our next video, and till then stay safe, stay tuned, bye.